More than 500 people were hurt in last night's attack, many of whom were treated at the University Medical Center in Las Vegas. That's the only level 1 trauma center in Nevada. And Carilion Roanoke Memorial in our area is also recognized as a level 1 trauma center. WSLS 10's Patricia Martellotti spoke with specialists at the hospital about how an event like this would be handled here.
Tragedies like the mass shooting in Las Vegas can leave hospitals overwhelmed with patients. Carilion Roanoke Memorial Hospital has a thorough plan with crews ready to go just in case of a mass casualty incident.
First, you have to rely upon people doing the right thing, the medical staff. When you need this kind of volume of healthcare providers right now, because you have this kind of volume of mass casualty incident, you have to rely that people will drop everything and come in.
The Level 1 Trauma Center can treat the most severely injured trauma patients with the help of its partners.
So if we're overwhelmed in numbers, whatever that number would be on the circumstances, we'll pull in other hospital systems in the area. We'll also pull in other Level 1 trauma centers across the state.
Medical specialists say trauma care at this level requires multitasking as well as close teamwork for every case.
Yeah, that's really a big deal. I think in a mass casualty incident, first you have to rely upon people doing the right thing, the medical staff. When you need this kind of volume of healthcare providers.
This year, the hospital has been offering classes to the community on how to use tourniquets.
It really puts bleeding control in the bystander's hands. It teaches people who would be the first responders or the immediate responders, people who are on scene when an event happens. It teaches them how to control bleeding.
Of course, the challenge too with penetrating trauma gunshot wounds like this is you have a limited amount of time to respond before there's worsened harm to the patient in their condition as they deteriorate, and that becomes another big part of the challenge.
This is the only Level 1 trauma center in Southwest Virginia. In Roanoke, Patricia Martellotti, WSLS 10.